In this video, you'll learn how to build your first app using Lovable AI. By following this guide, you will create a functional application step by step using the Lovable platform. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. You can do this by entering the URL quote lovable.dev quote into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with the Lovable homepage showcasing various features and options available to users. Next, locate the button labeled New on the homepage. This button is usually prominently displayed, allowing easy access to start a new project. Clicking on New will take you to the app creation interface where you will begin building your application. After you click New, a message will appear indicating that you are ready to build. This confirmation lets you know that the platform is prepared for your next steps. Take a moment to ensure that you see this message before proceeding. Once the readiness message appears, click on the option labeled Lovable can now handle complex builds more autonomously. This feature enhances the app building process by allowing the platform to assist you with more intricate tasks, streamlining your experience. At this point, type in the command create a dashboard into the designated input area. This action will initiate the creation of a new dashboard within your app and ensure that you enter the command correctly to avoid any issues in the subsequent steps. After entering the command, a message stating reviewing dashboard requirements and data sources will display on your screen. This indicates that the platform is processing your request and gathering the necessary information to create your dashboard. Wait for this process to complete. Next, you will see a message that says exploring dashboard components and data flows. This step signifies that Lovable is analyzing the potential components you can use in your dashboard. This phase may take a moment depending on the complexity of your requirements. Once the exploration phase is complete, you will be prompted to customize your dashboard. You can specify the design elements you wish to include, such as a sleek, dark themed layout with sidebar navigation, stat cards, charts, and a recent activity table. Make sure to define your preferences clearly. Continue by detailing your aesthetic choices, such as a dark base with cyan or teal accents, clean typography, subtle borders, and smooth transitions. This level of customization helps ensure that the final product aligns with your vision. The next step involves editing your dashboard as needed. You will have the opportunity to make adjustments to your components or layout. Take your time to refine the design to meet your specifications. Finally, you will need to wait for Lovable to generate your app. The system will process your inputs and create the application based on your defined parameters. This generation phase may take some time, depending on the complexity of the app you are. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.